So they love going on a ride, and this is not because I'm making a video. They just literally jumped in, they're not listening to me. And they're content, so I'm fine. Anyway, I want to make this video because I never make reviews for Amazon, ever. I hardly do. I have a Chevy Equinox, and this product is a 10 out of 10. I love it. So first of all, I have a little bit of trash. I want to show you guys that this cover does extend all the way down to like here. But I do have a lip that I just lifted up, as you can see, and I just tucked it underneath. And it's great, so the dogs are not scratching over here. This is the biggest reason why I love this and needed to make a review. You can see here the grip. My very first car cover was very cheaply made, thinner than this material. And these guys, when we're making churns, they're churning and sliding, and it would start to actually tear from here. It was just awful. I love this because it has Velcro strips. Because my first car cover had these flaps, but they were just flat. They're not doing anything. And you can see here, I have scratches from, I'm assuming you have longer nails. So it's not messing up my car any more than it needs to. And you're just gonna flop it on. Super great. And it's also on the other side, the Velcro strips, and they're thick. They're nicely, I'm pulling it, like I'm tugging it, and it's not budging. And I absolutely love this. If you're considering getting this, for the cost of this, it's honestly worth it. I love it.
Donc moi, c'est une Citroën C3 de 2022, donc assez récente, mais je pense que les autres se ressemblent beaucoup. Voilà, ça va parfaitement au coffre, ça s'attache avec des petits, sur les appuis-têtes avec des petits mousquetons, très facile, enfin des petits crochets. Voilà, donc là ça va par-dessus. On peut le mettre simplement dedans. Là, il y a un petit peu de jeu. Mais bon, on peut le soulever un petit peu plus. Mais sauf si on le soulève un petit peu plus. Moi, j'ai des chiens et quand ils vont aller dedans, j'ai peur que ça se déchire. Donc, je préfère le mettre pile à la hauteur. Les poches, très pratiques. Elles sont assez grandes. On peut mettre plein de choses. Donc voilà. Bon, là, il y a un jeu parce que je viens de tirer ça. Voilà. Je mets une photo dehors et dedans comme il est. Je peux le mettre à l'intérieur.